Hello, my Math Independent Study student. The topic for this video, we are going to learn how to evaluate expression for a given value of the variable. Okay, now go ahead and draw a horizontal line and a vertical line. In this column, you are going to write your own questions if you have. Now let's go and begin to take note with me. So in this case, we are going to work on 4 examples. Let's start with example 1. So given this expression, negative 5x plus 3. Now we want you to evaluate this expression, negative 5x plus 3, for x is 2. So you are going to go to the given expression and you will substitute x for 2. So now you are going to, using the order of operation, you will multiply first and then add. So that's the sum will give us negative 7. Okay, and let's move on to example 2. Given this expression, we have x squared minus 6x plus 1. We want you to evaluate this expression for x is negative 4. Again, you will substitute x for negative 4, so you have negative 4x squared minus 6 parentheses. Now it's very important that when you substitute x for a negative number, you make sure you put your integer or negative 4 inside the parentheses, because without the parentheses, you only take 4 square, not negative 4 square. Okay, plus 1. Now we are going to take care of the exponent first, so that will give us 16. And then multiplication next, so plus 24, and copy the last constant. Add them up. The sum of these 3 integers will be 41. Okay, now let's move on to example 3. Now we given this expression, it is a rational w plus a over 3w. Now we want you to evaluate this expression for w is 4. My w looks very ugly, sorry. Thank you. So now you will substitute w for 4, so be for the numerator, for the top, so you have 4 plus a. For the denominator, will be 3 times 4. So now take care of the numerator first. So you have 12, and then the denominator, you also have 12, so simplify, you get 1. Now let's move on to example 4. Here, given the expression is the absolute. Now what is the absolute? These two parallel line notation, it means the absolute notation. So when you take the absolute, your solution is always a positive number. So the absolute of 4x minus 5, and we want you to substitute x for 1/2. So now you want to go to put here absolute of 4 parentheses 1/2. So substitute x for 1/2 minus 5. So again, we will take care the expression inside the absolute first. So 4 times 1/2 is 4 over 2 minus 5. Now simplify the fraction. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. So it's 2 minus 5. And again, the differences of 2 and negative 5 be negative 3, and the absolute of negative 3 is 3. Okay, so now let's go ahead and write out the summary. So go ahead and draw a line, a horizontal line, and right below that, if you have any extra vertical line, go ahead and erase this. So write down our summary. So what did we learn from this video? In this video, we learned how to evaluate the expression for a given value of the variable. Okay, thank you so much, my student. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you in class. Good night.